Hi guys, so are you actually struggling to sleep, or you're taking some sleeping pills to just take a nap, or you're actually on medications to sleep? Well, do that no more, because this very simple natural home remedy is going to put you to sleep right away, like right after you have finished consuming it. It's actually going to make you sleep very sound, and you are going to be loving it. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, okay, so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Drop your personal questions on my website. Alright guys, let's go right into this video. So to fall asleep, guys, you're gonna be needing very ripe banana. Okay, I got this banana yesterday. It's actually beginning to be black, but nonetheless it's actually very healthy and also very good. And we basically need the banana peel. Okay, so we're just gonna be washing it. And also we're going to be needing some coconuts, and here we're gonna be needing the coconut milk. Okay, so we're just gonna be blending this to get out the coconut milk. And for this, we're just gonna be needing yogurt, and you have to get unsweetened yogurt, or you can actually get a sweetened yogurt, but it has to be very thick, okay, and very healthy organic yogurt. Now, just to show you guys, we're just going to be putting all the banana into a clean bowl of water. Then we're just going to be washing the banana peel, guys. Okay, so you have to wash it, and then you have to put a little bit of salt into the water. So you're going to be needing just a little bit of salt, okay, so to disinfect anything, any germs on it. So you're just going to be putting it. That's just a very natural way of disinfecting fruits and edible things. What you need to do is to put in salt, okay, basically, or you can actually use apple cider vinegar. Then you wash it, guys. Alright, so we're gonna be needing a pot. And now what we're just going to be needing, we're going to be needing the peel of this banana into this pot, okay? Okay, so we're just going to be peeling all of the 4 banana into the... Now you have to get banana that is very soft, just like mine, okay? Alright, so here are the peeled banana, and I'm gonna be consuming this morning. But for this, it's gonna be a sleeping medicine. Alright, so you're gonna be adding up water at your preference, guys. You can add up 1 glass or 2 glasses of water, but for this I'm just going to be adding 1 glass of water, and I'm going to go boil it. So you're going to boil it, okay? Alright guys, so here we are in the kitchen, and my banana peel has actually started boiling. So what you're going to do is that you're going to boil this banana peel for like 10 to 15 minutes. When you notice that it has actually started changing its color from the normal water color to a lighter brownish color, then you can, off the fire. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to off the fire, and then I'm going to keep it for it to cool down, okay, so you can actually drink it, so it doesn't burn the mouth, okay. So that's all right. For the coconut, you're just going to be needing a small piece of coconut, okay. So I'm just going to be cutting it, guys. so I can blend it. Okay, so for you to blend this coconut, guys, you have to put in a little bit of water. All right, so it can give you the coconut milk, which is going to be what we need. All right, guys, so here is it, and now I kept it for it to cool a little more. Okay, and the water has to change brown so you could know it's okay for consumption. All right, so what we'll do now is to strain out the water. Okay, okay, guys, so for this you don't have to store it, guys, because when you store it, it's gonna go too black and it's gonna go too brown that it's gonna be black. Okay, so it's not gonna be healthy to store and reuse. So it's something that you have to always cook a fresh banana peel. Okay, so you have to dispose it when you're done using it. So this is how the water is, brownish, and it's very healthy. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to put in the coconut milk, and here I have a blended coconut. All right, and we're just going to be straining it. So what I'm going to do is to take in the coconuts into the strainer, about 2 tablespoons of that, and strain it into, okay, let me shift it so you guys can see it very well, and strain it into the banana peel tea. Alright, so when we're done straining, alright guys, so now the color of the tea has actually changed. Okay, now for the yogurt is actually optional, guys. If you want, you can decide not to put the yogurt. Okay, so you have to take in unsweetened yogurt, 1 tablespoon or 2 or 3 depending on how you want it. So you put that and stir it all up. Okay, so the only thing that is actually optional here is the yogurt, guys. Okay, so now your sleeping tea is ready. Like, trust me, guys, you are going to be enjoying this tea. It's going to be very healthy, and immediately you take this tea, in a couple of minutes you just need to go on the bed and relax yourself, and you're going to sleep really fine, and you're going to wake up healthy and very strong. Okay, so let me have a drink and I'll come back to tell you how it tastes. Okay guys, it tastes really nice. Let me have another taste. Alright, so it has this coconut milk flavor, and it's a little bit sweet. Okay, it's not sour, it does not have any bad taste. Okay, it's really nice. It's something you would enjoy drinking when you start taking it. So if you're having problems sleeping, take this, guys, and you're going to be loving it. Now you can actually take it every day. You can see all of the things that I use in it are natural. Banana is something that you can take every day. Just the same thing with coconut milk and also yogurt. So it's something you can actually take every day if you're having trouble sleeping. So you don't have to take any pill that would disturb you in the future. Okay, so that's it, guys. Do not underestimate or underrate this. Okay, it's actually very simple. It's something you like you know this already, you know banana peel. Okay, but try it out. Come back and let me know how it is, because I know that it is going to be working really fine on you. Okay, so you are going to be having all of the sleep you need for this holiday. Okay guys, so that's it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video. Okay, turn on the bell, okay, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And also follow me on Instagram and drop your curious questions on my website. I'll see you soon in my next video, and bye guys.